Morena Room 9 call, Mr. C, Tēnā North. This is Mr. C again, and welcome to the Room 9 News for Rātu, the 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, Haere mai, hoki mai. Hope you had a great day yesterday. Got a bit of mahi done around the whare. Okay, let's go over to Kupo Te Wiki. This week's word is, I have to hold it up a bit higher today, is whare horoi kākahu, which is whare, house, horoi, wash, and kākahu, clothing. So, where do you wash your clothes? The laundry. So, whare horoi kākahu, laundry. Okay, let's talk about what we got up to yesterday. Everyone was busy. I got a message from Ward about his favourite story in his book, and I know that's what you want me rereading today. I'm saying nothing. Bit of a secret. I'll let you know in a minute. Also, someone asked about the knife and how I cut it out. Got it just here. So this is my granddad's knife, and he was a hunter, a bit of a deer stalker, and that's his drop point knife. And so I took that knife, made my knife. I cut it out with an angle grinder, and finished it up yesterday. Got that. There we go. Pretty proud of that. Made it in the shed. Very happy. Still got all my 10 fingers, and I used it last night when I had sausages for dinner. Cut through the vegetables, no worries. Okay, on to health and safety. Yesterday, Dr. Bloomfield said that no one is struck with the virus. So there've been 2 people or 4 people, 6 people, 5 people, but now no one. So you've all been doing a great job. Give yourself a million points. And word on the street, there's a few meetings today, bit of a hui here and there. And Ngā kōrero about next week and what we're going to get up to. So if there's anything you want to do, let me know. Personally, I'd like to do a lip sync challenge, maybe a dance off. Don't know, I've talked to Mr. Exel. Right, weather for today looks a bit friggy. As you can see, I'm dressed up because it's already a bit cold, especially this morning. I'm not too sure about later on this afternoon, so get out and about while the going's good. Now, the class novel, where's my thing? Here we go. The class novel, and I'll put the link in the text box below and send you out a text. It is going to be the BFG, but it's not going to be a normal book. It's going to be this thing, which is not even mine. It's my daughter's, because I couldn't get a copy of the BFG, but she's got one on her Kindle, which is like a little push button thing. You push a button and it comes up and the words go on the screen, and it's not really like an iPad. It's like, yeah, thanks anyway. Not too 100% sure how it works, but there you go. See, it's got words on it, and that's what I'll be reading. So, stay tuned. Another piece of technology for me to get my head around. Okay, birthday news. I've got a sneaky suspicion that our Kate, our wonderful teacher aide, has a birthday today, and I think she's the sweet 16? No, maybe 21. 21. No, maybe 26. 26. I think it's today, could be tomorrow. And I rang up YouTube and said, can I sing a song? And they said, Ariana doesn't want you to sing songs. What about a dance? And they said, well, you've got 3 seconds. So here we go. I'm going to put the things on. Are we ready? And... okay, a bit more than 3 seconds, but there you go. Happy birthday, Kate. I hope it's today. If it's not, well, that dance is going to be for tomorrow. Alrighties, we go to the top of the box. Robin is still the Shut the Box champion, and I'm going to risk it. I'm going to go for Glory, and I've got my piece of technology here, and of course, here we go. This thing gives me the heebie-jeebies sometimes. Is it going to work? Oh, low battery. Well, this could be my saving. Here we go. I'm up and running. Right, so let's get on with it quick. I know what that one is. I'm a teacher. That's 3. So I'm going to keep going. Oh, 1 plus... oh, no, that's going to be 5. 4 plus 1's 5. I'll do that one. Oh, 6 plus 1. Oh, 7. Oh, I know all these. 4 plus 1 is 5. I'm going to have to go 4 and 1. Fingers crossed. 6 and 1 and it's a 7. I can't do anything, so that's my score. What a tragedy. My score is 2,000. There we go, 2,689. We might have to revisit that one tomorrow. I can't say I'm impressed with myself there, but you know what? I'll give it a go tomorrow. Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here in the Room 9 News Team Studios, have a good day. Ka kite popo, see you tomorrow. Haere rā, go well and stay classy, Room 9.